When performed properly, with the correct equipment and supplies, cleaning and maintenance are preservation techniques that will prolong the life of your soft surface, keep it looking great, and prolong the need to replace it for years and possibly decades. Featured here are examples of the items needed for proper care and maintenance of your soft surface Tarkett floor. Vacuum cleaner and spotting machine for daily maintenance. Counter rotating brush machine for interim maintenance and agitation. Hot water extractor for periodic deep extraction. Pump sprayer to apply appropriate cleaning solution. Air mover to speed drying process, and Carpet and Rug Institute approved chemistry such as Tarkett Scion 5. All vacuuming, agitation, extraction devices, and cleaning chemistry should be selected from the Carpet and Rug Institute Seal of Approval program, which can be found at www.carpet-rug.org. Please note that the use of rotary devices will potentially void the applicable Tarkett limited warranty coverage for your product. In place of these machines, the use of dual counter rotating brush machines is recommended. It is very important that all safety precautions for equipment, chemistry, and supplies be closely followed by the individuals performing these processes. Tarkett is not responsible for personal injury or damage to property.